Party has decided to suspend the workers who were involved in that cash for bash, the cash bash. Those are party workers, you see. Nandkishore Beniwal, the only Aam Aadmi Party candidate who won ward elections in the Delhi Cantonment Board, he and his supporters were flinging cash on your television screen. After that one seat that the Aam Aadmi Party won out of 8, BJP won 5, the Congress won 2, Aam Aadmi Party won only 1. Look at those television screens. Aam Aadmi Party workers, supporters and Nandkishore Beniwal, the lone Aam Aadmi Party ward winner, flinging cash after that victory. This at a time when the Aam Aadmi Party claims that they have no money. The Aam Aadmi Party was actually seeking money. Ijaz Ilmi, the Aam Aadmi Party had selfie with Arvind Kejriwal, pay for it. Dinner with Arvind Kejriwal, pay 20,000. Coffee with Arvind Kejriwal, pay for it. And this is how that money was being spent, the opposition says.
The problem with Aam Aadmi Party is we had a sting in the last assembly elections. They said they'll do an internal inquiry and they'll take action. Nothing has happened about that sting. Right now what they're doing is the Beniwal who's won, they haven't suspended him. The workers around him, that's a no-brainer. I mean, if you want to take action, actually suspend the Delhi Cantonment winner who is responsible. I mean, this is again misleading. They'll do an internal inquiry. They'll say it's not a culture, and why not suspend Beniwal also?
Okay, let me bring in headlines today. Is Ankit Tyagi who's breaking that story. Ankit, prompt action taken by the Aam Aadmi Party.
Absolutely, that is what Asutosh, who was speaking to us, just promised that they will take prompt action. And according to them, if they have analyzed the video and all the allegations that Beniwal was in fact throwing the money have been found untrue. In the video also, the person who has been identified as throwing the money is one of the Aam Aadmi Party supporter and volunteer. He has been suspended from the party. Raghav Chadha of the party is joining me right now. Raghav, you have suspended the person who is seen throwing money. BJP is saying it's just an eyewash. You should have suspended Beniwal.
You see, the person who was indulging in this act of indiscipline has been suspended. He is not an office bearer of the party. He is not the candidate of the party. He is a supporter of the party, and the disciplinary committee of the Delhi State Unit has taken stern action. As far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, we will not tolerate any sort of indiscipline or any obscene act as this one, and we have suspending him, and if the investigations investigation will be taken further, and if need be,
BJP is asking, is this why you were collecting all that money, those fundraisers, chai with Kejriwal, lunch with Kejriwal, the money is being spent like this?
Well, the BJP's allegations and all these accusations are laughable. The BJP should answer that who's writing checks to them worth 10,000 crores and how are they getting so much money. 85% of their funding is opaque. Black money hoarders like Radha Timlu are funding them. The whole Ram Janmabhoomi matter of the funding of Ram Janmabhoomi movie is under investigation. The VHP's funding is under investigation, and it is the current NDA government which filed an affidavit in the High Court, Delhi High Court, saying that the Aam Aadmi Party's funding is absolutely clean and clear, and there is absolutely no illegality involved. So the BJP should answer about their funding.
Okay, but what about the reflection on this on the result of the Cantonment Board? BJP has got a thumping majority win there. You have only won one seat. They are saying it's a sample. It's a reflection on what is going to happen to the Aam Aadmi Party in days to come.
Well, there are about 272 wards in Delhi. The elections took place in only 8 wards, and the Aam Aadmi Party has opened its account as far as ward elections are concerned. The BJP should in fact reflect upon the Varanasi Cantonment result, the Prime Minister's Lok Sabha constituency, in which they have lost all 7. And look at this thing that the BJP has lost, the Congress has lost, and all other parties have also lost. Only independents have won.
But also you cannot take the fact away that it was your MLA who was sitting MLA. I mean, it was your MLA who was in fact representing that constituency. So there seems to be something wrong. And your campaign started well ahead of everybody else. That must have also had some sort of an effect. So it seems that there is a need for introspection. There is a need to see where did you go wrong.
Well, Ankit, as you know, these elections are fought on local issues, and certainly the party will reflect upon this, and we will try and find out the reasons. But as far as the general mood of Delhi is concerned, those mood is very well captured in the past 5, 6, 7 surveys. This mood is very well captured if you step out of your houses, your studios, and meet and greet people. The mood of Delhi is that more than 70% people want to see Mr. Arvind Kejriwal as the chief minister. The BJP is nothing but a house of chaos. Their flop show in Delhi, Prime Minister's rally was a flop show, and it clearly shows that the people of Delhi are giving a decisive mandate in the favor of the